Summer in the Greek islands means being outdoors all the time. The aim of the project for this house is to merge indoor and outdoor spaces, maximizing the benefits of both. Efforts were made to retain as many existing trees as possible, and thus we see trees surrounded by the plains of the house, like this large tree surrounded by white pebbles around which the cantilevered roof has been formed. We also see how the surrounding vegetation has been allowed and perhaps even encouraged to colonize the sides of the building to help it blend into the island's hillside. To avoid block volumes that divide and dominate the spaces, horizontal planes are inserted into the slope, providing levels for sunbathing, sleeping, and dining, as well as a vast, open shaded area. These cool and shade the spaces below while allowing the flow of sunlight and maintaining the stunning 270-degree view over the coastline. The powerful identity of the concrete plains creates a strong narrative as you approach the house from the coastal road below. From a distance, the plains are distinctly separated, but as you get closer to the house, from the side, the perspectives change, closing the distance between them. Upon arrival and upon entering the space, they open up again, revealing the stunning view and allowing the flow of fresh air. The living area features a sliding wall system that enables dividing the expansive space. The pool is strategically positioned to enjoy the view, but also create a refreshing breeze over the terrace and into the house, as the north wind flows uphill and over its surface. Designated spaces for cooking, dining, and relaxation are offset from each other to provide coziness without sacrificing openness. The name plain house is derived from the geometrical term for the flat surfaces that make up the dwelling. These planes make up the large, flat, cantilevered roof and the entirely flat surface of the deck, pool, and living area. These flat surfaces define the shape of the building that sits on a hillside of the Greek island of Skiathos. While this is an ultra-modern house, it remains sympathetic to the surrounding environment, using traditional materials such as natural stone in its walls. This makes the kind of architectural progress that we see in modern dwellings like Plain House possible without upsetting the locals by building a house that doesn't blend well with the existing settlements. This can be a particular issue in largely untouched heritage environments, such as Skiathos Island, Greece.